Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So first, I wanna ask you something. So have you ever seen this ramen in our supermarket? This has been a very popular ramen in Japan for a long time. It's delicious enough cooked as normal, but you can make it even better adding some few ingredients. But today I'm gonna show you how to make my own version of miso ramen flavor. So hope it will help you. So okay, let's get started.
So, okay, these are the ingredients for today's soya sauce ramen. Excuse me, I forgot to include 500 ml of water and some black pepper to taste. So, okay, first, a clove of garlic and about a teaspoon of chili bean sauce. In Japan, say tobanjang. And I will use it for topping with as much shredded cheese and spring onion as you like. And finally, a bag of demae icho. So, okay, first, mince the garlic. If you want a lot of garlic flavor, add another clove of garlic. So, okay, and then next, add about 1 tablespoon of veggie oil to the pan and add the minced garlic and about 1 teaspoon of chili bean paste. But if you don't like a spicy taste, stir fry without adding the chili bean paste. So, and then turn low heat and keep it stir fry. Transfer the garlic and chili bean paste aroma to the veggie oil. So after a while, the aroma will spread from the pan. So the garlic and chili bean paste go very well together and make a delicious ramen. So once the smell has transferred to the veggie oil and the garlic is cooked, turn the heat up to high, add 500 ml of water and bring to the boil. So when the water is boiling, add the noodles and cook for 3 minutes. So okay, and then add the powdered soup stock and sesame oil enclosed with the ramen. And if you want to increase the sesame flavor, add some store-bought sesame oil. So, and then pour into a plate and add the toppings. So, okay, I put cheese on top because cheese and ramen are perfect match. It also looks even better when sprinkled with spring onions, but basically you can top it with anything you like. And finish with a sprinkle of black pepper and then ready. Ta-da! I made it! What do you think? I only added a few ingredients, but doesn't the ramen look delicious? When the cheese melts and gets mixed with the noodles, there is no need for words. Just enjoy your ramen. I used the demae icho ramen this time, but you can make it with other soya sauce ramen as well. So please give it a try. So okay, thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!